Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue where administrator prompts are not working in Windows 11. And now let's get started. To begin, open the Windows search bar and type User Account Control, often abbreviated as UAC. Select the option that says Change User Account Control Settings. You will see a slider that controls the notification level. This slider might be set to the third or fourth option by default, which is a very strict setting. If you are the administrator of your computer, the simplest solution is to drag this slider all the way down to the bottom option, which is labeled Never Notify. After adjusting the slider, click on OK to apply the changes. It is important to note that if you are using a computer in a public setting or a work organization, you will likely not have the permission to change this setting. In such cases, you do not need to worry as the setting is protected. However, if you are using a home computer, consider your circumstances. If other family members, particularly children, also use the computer, and you want to prevent them from installing certain applications or making unauthorized changes, you might want to keep the user account control at the second level. Otherwise, for the most seamless experience where administrator prompts do not interrupt your workflow, select the last level, Never Notify. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.